Do you want to learn how to paint like the old masters using modern materials? Such traditional oil painting skills are no longer taught at contemporary art colleges. To help artists like you, we've created free video lessons so you can learn oil painting the fast and easy way. In these free videos, you'll discover the must-know information about harmony and contrast in painting, color theory for painters, how the old masters depicted draperies and flesh, oil painting techniques of Rembrandt, and much more. Here you'll find out the secrets of the old masters. This information is gathered from extensive research and now is available for you. The Old Masters Academy online course is unique. Here you can learn traditional painting techniques by watching video lessons, and it's as good as sitting next to the professional fine artist and learning from them oil painting step by step. No art college would ever give you the same service. Just click the link to get your free oil painting video lessons.